Hi, I'm Mary Ellen, and welcome to my channel. Life is messy, but I'm learning as I grow. Here, we embrace all things homemade cooking, crafting, gardening, and family travels with a sprinkle of cats. Creating isn't always picture perfect. Sometimes things get messy and you find yourself wondering, what is that stuck to the ceiling? But we're learning and growing, and the mess makes it way more fun. Today I'm going to show you how to make cabbage in your Instant Pot or pressure cooker. Perfect for anyone who wants a no-fuss veggie win. It's healthy, fast, and flavorful. A fast meal for whether you are cooking between craft projects or you need something fast for dinner after spending the whole day in the garden. Just 4 ingredients. Any color cabbage. 1 tablespoon of any flavor better than bouillon. 1 cup of water. And 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. First, chop your cabbage and put it in your Instant Pot's inner pot. Mix 1 tablespoon of any flavor of better than bouillon into 1 cup of water. My favorite flavor is the vegetarian no chicken base. Pour your broth into the pot and then add your nutritional yeast. Give it a stir. Place your liner into your pot and secure your lid. Pressure cook for 2 minutes. Quick release your steam. That's it, so easy, right? Just a few simple ingredients, 1 trusty Instant Pot, and boom, a flavorful, plant-based dish ready to impress your taste buds, and maybe even your picky eaters. Thanks for hanging out in the kitchen with me today. You'll find the full written instructions waiting for you in the description below, easy to follow and ready when you are. If this recipe helped make your life just a little less messy, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more real-life recipes, crafty chaos, and learn as you go fun. Until next time, keep growing, keep creating, and remember, perfection is overrated, but flavor is everything.